Now, now look at the lens formula. 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is the lens formula, where VUF has their usual notations. You know, you have the concept of these notations from the discussion of mirrors. V is image distance, U is object distance, and F is focal length. Okay. And just like the concept for mirror, U, the numerical value of U will be always negative because the object is always kept in front of lens, and the same sign convention will be followed here as that of the mirror. There is no difference in the sign convention for lens. The sign convention for mirror and for lens both are same, and this lens formula is applicable for both convex and concave lenses. Now see the magnification. Actually, magnification is the ratio of image distance to the object distance. In other words, we can say with the help of this formula that magnification is the ratio of the size of the image to that of the object. So mathematically we can say magnification m is equal to hi. Hi is the size of the object, size of the image, and ho is the size of the object. So m is equal to hi upon ho, and this is also equal to v upon u. While comparing this magnification formula for mirror, you will find that m is equal to hi upon ho is the same for the mirror also. But for the magnification produced by mirrors, m is equal to minus v upon u. M is equal to minus v upon u for the magnification produced by mirrors. But the magnification produced by lenses, here it is v by u. That is why we can say ratio of the image distance to the object distance. Now you have to keep this formula in your mind because the numericals can be solved only by applying these formulas. Now let us try to understand the power of a lens. Actually, power of a lens is the measurement of degree of convergence or divergence of a lens. This means that we can say by knowing power of a lens, we can have an idea that by what amount this particular lens can deviate any incident ray passing through it. The numerical value of the power of a lens, that is P is equal to 1 upon focal length. This means that power P is equal to 1 upon focal length F. But focal length must be always in meter. The unit that will be used in order to calculate the power of a lens for a focal length will be meter only. So 1 upon, if the focal length of any spherical lens is say 1 meter, then what will be the power of that spherical lens? It will be P is equal to 1 upon 1 meter. And in other word, we can say 1 diopter. This is equal to 1 diopter. 1 diopter. Diopter is the unit used to measure the power of a lens. In this way, we can define 1 diopter is the power of a lens whose focal length is 1 meter. Many times in examinations, you may have to solve the definition of 1 diopter. Okay. Now we will see different uses of spherical lenses. So first of all, we will see different uses of convex lens. As you can see here in the figure, convex lenses are used in spectacles to correct the defect of vision called hypermetropia or long-sightedness, about which we will discuss in the next chapter. At this moment, you should only note down that convex lenses are used in spectacles to correct the defect of vision. That's all. Second, convex lens is used for making a simple camera. Convex lens is also used as a magnifying glass. This magnifying glass is used by a palmist, a watchmaker, or some shopkeepers also. Convex lenses are used in making microscopes and slide projectors. Now, let us see some uses of concave lenses. Concave lenses. Concave lenses are used in spectacles to correct the defect of vision. This means that to correct both type of lenses are used in order to correct the defect of vision. Second, convex lens is used as eye lens in telescope or Galilean telescope. Third, concave lenses are used in combination with convex lenses to make high quality lens system for optical instruments. Concave lens is used in wide angle spy hole in doors. So these are some of the uses of the spherical lenses. Now I think we have discussed each and every topic according to our syllabus, and if anything is left or any doubt, you can ask without any hesitation.